The bread of loss, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, and 1 cup of bran. Whole wheat flour has been made for millions of years, but the only one who said 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of bran was Doctor. May God have mercy on him. Come on, let's open it up and see, and I'll show you the beauty without kneading. Look at the beauty and elegance. Bread of loss without kneading in a simple way. Let's make it together and pray for me. Let's say, in the name of God, 1 cup of bran, 60 grams, 2 cups of whole grain flour, 250 grams. Then we'll mix the whole grain flour with the bran. And we'll start by adding 5 grams of salt, about half a tablespoon. And the yeast, 8 grams, which is about 1 tablespoon, with 1 cup of warm water, 250 grams. I cover them and stir them first, then add 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar or any sweetener or molasses. I wait for 10 minutes. It's very important that as soon as the yeast forms a foam, I add it in. And as you can see, without stirring, just use a spoon to mix it so it absorbs all the liquids, then cover it for 15 or 20 minutes. It's better after 20 minutes to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about 20 grams. And as you can see, I'll gather it together so it absorbs the oil. I'm not kneading it, just letting it absorb the olive oil. Let's repeat. 2 cups of bran, 2 cups. How much wheat? 250 grams. 1 cup of bran is 60 grams. 1 tablespoon of salt, 5 grams. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 20 grams. 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar, 20 grams. And 1 cup of warm water, 250 grams. Once I gather it together, I don't let it rest. I take my baking pan, grease it, and either put a sheet of paper in it or just grease it with oil, then spread the dough out. This step is very important. It's what makes the bread rise when it bakes. Look at how it is, just a third, barely a third of the pan. After 45 minutes, it will have doubled in size twice. I will have preheated the oven to exactly 230 degrees Celsius. It takes 21 minutes. And please pray for mercy for my mother and father from your heart. We've posted all the whole grain-baked goods on the page. We hope you'll check them out and leave us a comment. And if you find it useful, please share it. Thank you all.